Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. If you're curious about how AI is changing the world around us, you are in the right place. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI involves creating computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning from experience, making decisions, and solving problems. Let's start with a bit of history. The concept of AI has been around for decades, but it gained significant momentum in recent years due to advancements in computing power and data availability. From the early days of AI research to today's sophisticated algorithms, AI has come a long way. AI is now a part of our everyday lives. Here are a few examples. Healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and personalize treatment plans. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze medical images to detect conditions like cancer earlier than traditional methods. Finance. In the financial sector, AI is used for fraud detection, where it analyzes transactions to identify suspicious activity. It's also used in automated trading systems to make quick decisions based on market data. Daily life. Think of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. They use AI to understand and respond to your voice commands. AI is also behind the recommendation engines on platforms like Netflix and Amazon, suggesting content and products based on your preferences. Let's dive a bit deeper into the technologies driving AI. Machine learning. This is a subset of AI where computers are trained to learn from data and improve their performance over time. For example, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns in data and make predictions, like forecasting the weather or recommending movies. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP allows computers to understand and interpret human language. It powers chatbots and virtual assistants, making them capable of engaging in meaningful conversations. Robotics. AI in robotics enables machines to perform tasks that require physical manipulation, such as assembling products in a factory or even performing surgeries. What does the future hold for AI? The possibilities are exciting. Enhanced personalization. AI will offer even more personalized experiences, from tailored health recommendations to customized learning paths in education. Autonomous systems. We're on the brink of fully autonomous vehicles, which could revolutionize transportation and logistics. Ethical considerations. As AI continues to advance, ethical considerations around privacy, bias, and job displacement will become increasingly important. So, what do you think about the impact of AI on our world? Are there specific AI applications you're excited about or concerned about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in tech and AI, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video with more insights and updates from the world of technology.